Now I am going to discuss about the equation of kinetic energy. We have already known that the energy that is obtained due to the motion of an object is called kinetic energy. So now I will explain about the equation of kinetic energy. Let mass of an object is denoted by m, displacement is denoted by S. Displacement is a vector quantity. I have already said what is vector quantity. The quantity that is expressed by both magnitude and direction. And we have already known work done W is equal to Fs. Work is the product of force and displacement. Okay, I have given W equal to Fx is number 1 equation. According to Newton's second law, we already know that F equal to ma. F means force, m means mass, a means acceleration. What is acceleration? We have already cleared this term. Again, I am repeating, acceleration is the velocity of change of velocity per unit time. Again, we know that if an object starts its motion from rest, then again I am repeating, when an object starts its motion from rest, that means u is equal to 0 and v has some value, then we got two equation. Is equal to half at square. S is the displacement, a is the acceleration, t is the time, and v is equal to at. V means velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time. By putting value on equation number 1, we get w equals to Fs, that is work is the product of force and displacement. From Newton's second law, we know F equal to ma. Here I just replace the value of F by ma, then mas we get. And now we get S equals to half a t square. In this situation, we are replacing S by half a t square. Then I am just multiplying it, half a square t square. Now a square and t square is replaced by v is equal to at. At, the value of v is equal to at. So I am giving v here. So kinetic energy is denoted by T. T is equal to half mv square. So it is clear now. Again I am repeating, kinetic energy is denoted by T equals to half mv square. That means the m is the mass of an object and v is the velocity of that object due to the force.